naman. Baka wala na sila super amazing ganyan sa scenario and you'll be seeing more of them. Once again, maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Are you guys having fun so far?
Yes!
Of course, Ate Jonah pa naman, di ba? Napakalan once again si Ate Jonah. Thank you so much. Once again, Alpit Senior. I hope you guys are okay. Wala na mo nag-traffic kaayo. Iuwan man pa karon, oy. Pero I'm just really happy na nakaulit ko. And of course, I'm really grateful kay Naapit ko at Unlimited Voices na concert. So thank you so much for coming to join us, for coming to spend your Saturday with us. So I'm just really happy. Come on, happy na mo.
Oh, kita ko ni mo.
Gutom, kaon niya taon niya. Nag-invite. Alright, so the last time na nakakita sa Waterfront nag-perform ko was during Daniel Padilla sa concert. Nag-duet me para atong theme song for Crazy Beautiful You. And I'm just really happy kay nakabalik ko karon, nakaulit ko. Kaling sunod na kong kantahon para ninyong tanan is an original song. This started sa Himig Handog, if you guys are familiar. And let me just say na super hubot ako din na song. Daghan yung makarinig. Bawa ng feeling nga mo like example na may magustuhan. Pero mo rin ako na lang pa. Makarinig din. Daghan na. I'm sure daghan tawaw. Kaya pinamang. Oh, okay. Alright, so this next song, if you guys know the song, please sing it with me. This is entitled Aking Ka Na Lang for everyone.
I love you, Bowie!
Hello guys sa mga Bowie natin!
I love you, Bowie!
From China City. Hi! Maras taas! Alam gabi! Sa studio na naman! kayo. Of course, I'd also just like to grab this opportunity to thank everybody who's been supporting, of course. Yes! Oh, taray naman! Kinsa mo? Oh, nakikiss lang siya, guys. Ate, isa pa! Salamat, ate! Thank you, Mark! Thank you tayo. Ako, if you guys didn't know, of course, di naman siya bugad ako sa Cebu. And it wasn't until I was 14 nga, ni-decide me sa akong family nga mo-relocate sa Manila kay we realized nga mas daghang opportunities dito for me. And then happy, very supportive na po sila. Pero before all that, nagsugod ko sa mga singing contest na mga pakantahon, mga ang Ate Reg, ang Miss Whitney, ang Mariah, muna mga songs akong Beyonce, muna yung mga hirit na ko sa una. And then I'm just really happy nga karon nga I get to live the dream. I have my own song and daghan na kayo makakita kong tawag ng tanghali na yung cover sa akin ka na lang. I'm just really grateful. Thank you kaayo. If there's anybody here in the crowd na nag-iapilong tanghalan, salamat yun kaayo. Maka-proud yun. Every time makakita fellow Cebuano, particularly nga mo apil. Salamat yun kayo kay Kabaw baka sa Manila kung makaibaw sila taga-Cebu kay pakatahon na ba mo dahil ang level, grabe ilang tanaw sa mga Cebuano kumukanta. So, guys, expectations na doon eh. Pero thank you guys, thank you. I'm really happy. Nakijama po mo, salamat kayo. Okay, so this next song that I am gonna share with all of you. Let me just say na last year, among all the blessings na I received, muli, I think this was sa akong mga highlights for last year. Nag-cover ko ano siya, aning na song, sa, if you guys are familiar with the Wish 175.
Yes!
Crazy ang response ng mga people na ginaano yung mga foreign YouTube reactors na nag-react na ng video. Salamat po kayo sa share sa mga videos and sa tanang ng review. Thank you kayo. Thank you kayo. Grabe yung review ko lang. Alright. So we would like to share this song with you guys. And this is another Hukot song. Handa na ba yung mga puso nyo?
Go, Moe!
Yes. Let's do this. Can it be that 'cause I'm yours, I'm yours. I know I can Thank you so much. Let's give it a hand for this amazing band right here. Let's give it a hand for them. Show your love to Wednesday. Actually, if you guys didn't know also, I had my very first major concert with Star Creatives at the August sa Music Museum, and it was this band who backed me up, of course, under the bass of our musical director. Let's give it a hand for Mr. Softy, ladies and gentlemen. Sila to yung nag-back up na ako. Sila ang akong band ato sa akong concert. And mura happy kay akong nada sila diri, and they're just really talented. They really given you flavor sa mga songs. Ako sikat love song, ilaha to. I just gave my suggestions. Ang akin ka na lang, ilaha to. So, thank you, Sir Sok. Of course, to everybody, thank you so much. To the Marnie, thank you. Okay, kani nga akong sunod kantahan para ninyo. Usa ni siya sa akong kikanta to sa concert. And this is a medley of songs from one of the artists that I really looked up to. When I started doing my album, muna siya ang among usa sa among mga pegs when it comes to musicality, because this artist is just phenomenal, award-winning. And these songs, muna nga mga songs na akong ipili out of all her hits. Kaya for me, muna siya yung pinaka-nakatouch na ako because it talks about, of course, praising the Lord sa lahat, sa tanan niyang mga achievements. And of course, love, what genuine love is. For me, it reflects who she is to put sa aning mga songs. We would like to share these songs for you guys. I hope you guys will like this one as well. This is a medley of songs from the one and only Mariah Carey. You shine your light on me and set me free when I am alone. You wash away my tears and take me through the loneliness and the emptiness, through the darkness. Somehow I'm certain through it all. When you tell me that you're all the one in me, sweet as a So Salamat kaayo. I hope you guys had fun. That's just 2 hours, and now we have a lot more coming up. And I'm sure this next one will break the house down. Ladies and gentlemen, international Pinoy rock star and lead vocalist of Journey. Please welcome Arnold Bernal!
Possible. Hello!